Hello, friends. Many times we take computer for granted. We think that computer will go on forever and it will never get failed. If the computer fails, we can easily buy another computer and use it or get it repaired. But if the hard disk fails, think of your data. The data will be years of work. It will be hard to get it back. So, backup is very much important, which many people ignore. Only people, when they lose their data, they'll think of backup. We could have done it. We could have taken a backup. Like these sort of things come up only when you lose data. So, as a preventive measure, we should look at taking a small step towards regular backup of data. So, I'm going to introduce one small tip, a software which is almost free. You can install it in your own laptop or desktop, and you can specify which of the files should be backed up regularly without your even thinking of it. So let's go to Dropbox. So go to www.dropbox.com and little sign up, give your name and your email ID, and then download the software which is free and install it in your desktop or laptop. It is available for Mac and Windows also. So once you installed, Dropbox is installed as a folder in your any drive of your choice in your system. You can create multiple subfolders inside the Dropbox folder and save the files you need to keep in sync in the cloud as well as in your desktop. The advantage of Dropbox is that even when the internet is not available, the files are in your desktop. When the internet gets connected, the files are synced to the cloud in the Dropbox storage folder, and you can access it anywhere when you're traveling by simply just signing into the website and then copy the folder, download the folder when you're traveling. Once you make any changes in the folder, so it gets automatic synced like this, and then within a few seconds or few minutes, depends on the size of the folder, the Dropbox becomes up to date in your desktop. What it means that the file can go with you anywhere you go. Suppose you're working in office and you're going out, you can install mobile app for the Dropbox and it will be synced into your mobile. When you are at home, you have a desktop at home, you install Dropbox in the desktop software, the desktop of your home. It then gets synced automatically, whatever changes you made in the office, into your home computer. So suppose if you are working on something, you save it in Dropbox and come back to home, and leisurely you can start working again on the folder or file, and then when you go back to office, you can take it from there. So this is a major advantage of Dropbox. If you like it, give it a try. Thank you.